This past week I was finishing some detailing in the trunk of my 240D and I pulled out the toolkit. Look at how nice this toolkit is. Most of the time these wrenches are rusty. So this is another example of how nice this 240D is. But just looking at this toolkit and pulling out some of the other toolkits I had laying around here to kind of compare them, this really brought back some memories. You know, I told you the story of this white 240D and how I first recognized a Mercedes 40 years ago at a California swap meet, and it was white with blue interior. Well, let me tell you a story that happened about 20 years ago. I think a little over 20 years ago. The year was 1999. I had just discovered eBay, and I decided to put one of these toolkits on eBay to sell it. This was the first Mercedes thing I sold on eBay. Can you believe that? A Mercedes-Benz diesel toolkit, just like the one you see here. That was, 21 years ago. Some of you might be laughing and think, what's a big deal with that? You got to remember the time when I typed Mercedes-Benz in the search box in eBay at that time, 75 Mercedes items came up, including cars. So you old-timers, you know how long ago that was. Now, I pulled out some other toolkits. I wanted those of you who have one of these old W123 diesels to see what is in a toolkit so you can kind of compare and see if you have everything in your kit. I actually have a couple of other diesel toolkits. I've kind of pulled my stock together. I'm going to put these on my website. The difference between the diesel toolkit that you see here and some of these early gas toolkits is this wrench right here. You may wonder what that is. Well, that's a spark plug wrench, and of course diesels don't have spark plugs. So you can imagine pulling spark plugs out with this wrench. It'll work, not the most convenient one, but it does have a swivel head, and you have to put this bar in here so to get some torque. So it will work in a pinch. And a lot of times these old pliers you see in these toolkits, I'm gonna have to soak this one in rust penetrant. It's not even opening. And most of the time, those wheel mounting pins that make your life so much easier when you mount your wheels on these cars, most of them are missing. I had to run around and pull some out of my toolbox because even in these two other kits here, these wheel mounting pins were missing. So I thought you would enjoy that story. This right here is what started my internet business over 20 years ago.